Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, could not move extension directory into profile error on Google Chrome in your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, mostly it is an installation error, so we will have to reinstall Chrome. But here's what we will do first. Search for disk cleanup and open disk cleanup. Okay. Check all of these boxes to remove traces of Google Chrome. Click on OK and delete the files. Once this is done, wait for it to complete, don't just restart it immediately. Once this is done, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart, and finally reinstall Google Chrome. So how would you reinstall Google Chrome? Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar, click on these three dots here, select uninstall, search for Chrome, click on these three dots here, select uninstall and uninstall once again, and let it go. Once this is gone, okay, then you can search for Chrome download and hit enter. Go to the download Google Chrome website, click on download Chrome, click on open and install it from here. So basically we're reinstalling Google Chrome and this time it should work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.